Hey guys, what's up? So two showing the top best shirts, iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first is called Bati 4, iOS 13 and 14. You can easily control your icon layout with a quick swipe up on the home screen. You can drag the layout bots around to adjust the layout of the icons. You can also pinch to adjust icon size. Really easy and intuitive. That's what it looks like. This is called Translo. Version 2.5 is out. Adds Badu app, currently supporting common message only. Fits Discord, updates to the preferences, switch to libmiro and libmiro for easy development. Allows you to translate text a lot easier for these apps right here. So if you speak to someone who speaks a different language, it's a perfect tweak for you. This is called Stunts Bar. View your favorite stock in the status bar, not devices only. Next is called Twitter theme support. Basically fits the lag issue, adds settings. Now it no longer requires Snowboard for Neon Board or any other theme engine. Now you have to go to Twitter theme support settings and apply themes. So tweet that adds theme support to your Twitter app. Next tweet is I think called Kinda Stock. A theme for iOS, clean, familiar, yet new. Next is called My Pomonella, and you can set all the updates, all the Cydia packages, and much more. So this tweak also gives a chance to have other extra usefuls and aesthetic options for Cydia. And last tweet is called LPM Auto Lock Time for iOS 14. So set a custom time for auto lock while on low power mode, no more 30 seconds lock time. So pretty cool. Yeah guys, I'll catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.